Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Aurora Banquet in Heartopia. So if you're ready to cook the most magical meal in Heartopia, the Aurora Banquet isn't just a dish, it's a masterpiece, and here I'm going to show you how you can gather the dish for this legendary spread. So what you need to do first is just find the cooking mentor Maximo. Okay, so once you're in here, so in here you need to use the special van kitchen to create this recipe. And in here, to find out what the recipe is, you can just go to the stove right here and start click on cooking. Click on this Aurora Banquet and you'll see what you need to have. The ingredients to create this banquet is you need to have the steak with mashed white radish, creamy white radish soup, and also the iced cup coffee, and last one, the original frosted pancake. So if you haven't had or create this dish, you need to start creating or cooking them first. And after that, if you already have those four, so you can just click on the Aura Banquet options, and then you can just click on start cooking. Okay, so just wait, and don't forget to adjust the stove heat level so that it doesn't burn. And the banquet will be done in seconds. Click on the stove again, and now you've just created an Aurora Banquet. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.